Alright y'all, so I am back again. This time I am going into Red Fern Nursery. I want to see what they got so far. Since everybody putting out their garden items and all this type of stuff, I just left one area. Y'all will be getting a video of that, but I'm budgeting my money, so I knew I was coming in here, so I wanted to come in here. I'm going straight out. I got my mask out, but I'm going straight out. I wanted to come in here and see what they got going out here to the garden. Y'all done been at Red Ferns with me, okay? So y'all that's in my area, y'all I already know this is Red Ferns Nursery, and I'm about to see what they got on hand. First, they vegetables. All right, this is the first time I've seen where they ain't hardly have a lot. This is what they got. Some lettuces, not too much going on. Some lettuces. This is some spinach. They got these Swiss charts. They went up. They are $5 for them. They still are very, very pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much what they got. Besides some herbs, they don't have much out. They don't have much, hardly anything. I can't wait till this is all full. I can't wait till this is all full, y'all. So let's go over here, y'all, and look and see what trees they got out. Okay, so you know I'm on the prowl for trees. All right, want to start early, get me one at a time so I can have what I need. I know they got the bare root trees at Tractor Supply, but man, like I said, people are buying them. See, yeah, you can tell they setting everything up, well, moving things out, and I guess becoming more organized. Let's see what these are. I don't know if they flowering or Apple Annie. I don't know if that's a flowering or actual, you know how someone be, I think they are, oh, I don't know, red apples. Yeah, so these are apple. They are what's the price of these? I don't see them. 30, $29.99, $29.99. So yeah, I wonder if these grafted. I think these are, looking at the trunk, it's not straight up. I think these are grafted, which would be what I want, but I'm gonna ask them to make sure. Yep, that's persimmons. I think these trees are just gonna be $30, all of them. $29.99. Cause all these right here says when they persimmons, so they $30 trees. That's steep. That's steep. But it's steep, but it's not steep. Let me say that, because they're probably fruit quicker. I know when we come during the summer, must these trees be having fruit on them, so that makes me think they are grafted, which is good. This is a peach. Yeah, they $30. I may be able to save up and come and get me one of these rather than getting those bare roots. The bare roots, they gonna take forever, because they from, if I ain't mistaken now, I may be saying it wrong, I have too much going on in my head. Those that's bare root, like they're more likely to be from seed, so they take a couple years to produce. That's a flowering peach. They take a couple years to produce, so it may be better to get the ones that's been grafted, you know. These are I think like blueberries, blackberries, different things like they're like $15.99. Grapes and stuff.
Kiwi, fuzzy male kiwi, $30.
Kiwi plant, $30, man. See? So, what's over here? Oh, these are grapes, and they're $16.99. Yes, that's what they have. So not too much going on at this nursery. But I'm sure they're gonna be definitely getting it. These the big boys over here. What kind are they? May be more of the flowering. Let me see. Yeah, they flowering. Look at that. Big. But they flowering. I don't want no flowering ones. Let's see. What is this? Cherry something. I think they're like more like little bushes or whatnot. Okay. So now we're able to see.
He's gonna run out of here.
It's alright.
I'll try that.
Y'all have a good day. Thanks.
That's a bird. Yeah.
So let's see. Florida King Peach, $34.99. So they different prices. They are different prices. Y'all, it's so exciting. I'm so excited. And this is so peaceful, being able to walk through, and you can be able to plan out your garden and know what you want to get, what you don't want to get. And it's just so peaceful. Whatever this is, $120. That's a live oak tree. Okay. They have all day planters and stuff like that. These other greenhouses that you see are all flowers. They are all flowers. So I know this nursery won't be putting out their because it's not ready. It's not ready to have like your spring crops out yet. We're gonna get some more cold. It's the end of January, but I wanted to see, you know, like, I guess we'll go in through here, put my mask on. I want to see like what, you know, they getting started, because there's things we can go ahead and buy, you know.
I think I can take it down like 2 times. Right.
So it's not too much at one time. And then you got to keep in mind, things gonna go up. So they got these seeds starting, raised bed planters, all that right now. Let's see.
It's been down because they be sitting on shore when somebody gets stranded with a piece of paper in front. It's rolled up with these
Yeah,
things.
these are flowers. Oh, I got the fish one. They got a duck one. I have that one. I see they got the duck ones now. Oh, they're so cute. So cute.
Oh, he's gonna get washed. We're gonna do curiosity too.
Not much.
This is a little tight.
Oh, look at that. Alright, y'all, so that was just a little short-lived video. I still hope y'all enjoyed it. So they don't have much, but this is for the people that's in my area. If you come up here and you're looking to go ahead and get you some trees, then you see the prices of those, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this little nursery vlog. So I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Y'all be safe until next time. Mwah. Bye.